Let's see how the Python state changes during the execution of this program. Python first evaluates the assignment statements at lines 1 and 2. At line 3, Python evaluates the if test, which is a == 0. Since a is 0, this test is true. Thus, LWPS increases both the current line and tab by 1, and the test result is added to the control map. The statement at line 4 tab 1 is if b == 0. This is an if statement, so Python first evaluates the if test. Since b is 2, the test is false. Python is going to create a new control map entry at tab 1. Since the test is false, Python skips line 5. The statement at line 6 tab 1 is elif b == 1. Since the corresponding if statement test was false, LWPython is going to execute the elif test. Since b is 2, the elif test is also false. So the control map value is going to remain false, and Python is going to skip line 7. There is an else statement at line 8 tab 1. Since the control map value at tab 1 is still false, Python is going to execute the else body at line 9. Python has stored 2 in variable c. There is a statement at line 10 tab 0. Since the current tab, or 2, is greater than the statements tab, which is 0, the current body has ended. The control map value at tab 1 is the pair if false. The if token tells LWPython that it is currently inside an if, elif, or else body. This causes Python to decrease the current tab by 1. At time 31, the current tab is still greater than the statements tab. This means that again, the current body has ended. The control map value at tab 0 indicates that LWPython is again inside an if, elif, or else body, so it decreases the current tab by 1 again. Python now executes the else statement at line 10. Since the control map value at tab 0 is the pair if true, Python skips the else body in lines 11 through 16. The program is now complete, and we have 3 variables a, b, and c. Variable c contains 2.